How would you feel if your neighbour reported you to the police for running a red light? What if a co-worker reported you for not using an indicator or cutting across lanes because you missed your turn? Well, welcome to Canberra, the capital city of Australia, home to Parliament House, and now also home to a Dob-in, a driver-type program where members of the public are able to submit dashcam footage of other drivers doing the wrong thing, with offending drivers being issued tickets after investigation. 25 drivers have been fined as a result of dashcam footage uploaded to the ACT Policing's online reporting portal since the program began in May. Check out the following footage and you can see some of the reported incidents. ACT Policing recently expanded its online reporting capability to include dangerous driving. It's providing the community with a new mechanism to report poor driver behaviour. This new functionality allows members of the public to upload digital imagery of illegal driving. To date, 132 online dangerous driving reports have been received by ACT Policing, with 25 drivers issued traffic infringement notices, 35 drivers issued cautions or warnings, and 6 matters continue to be investigated. Offences include not stopping at red lights, not giving way, tailgating, mobile phone offences, and careless driving. Officer in charge of road policing, Acting Inspector Mark Richardson, said that dashcam footage has provided police with the ability to have eyes anywhere, anytime, and urged drivers to carefully consider this when getting behind the wheel. To complete the online form, you must be able to provide video or photographic evidence of the driving offence that you witnessed. You may also be required to provide a formal witness statement to the police and attend court as a witness to confirm the information provided in your witness statement. I can imagine some interesting court scenes between witnesses and the accused, particularly if they end up knowing each other. There are mixed opinions from the public so far, with some claiming it is a great innovation to help maximise road safety, but others claiming the police should be doing this themselves, and some even wanting a cut of the revenue from the tickets issued as a result of the report.
Show me the money!
Would this initiative work in the United States? Whilst there is precedent for the use of dashcam footage in cases of road rage or where a serious accident has occurred, your chances of the police taking action against a third party running a red light caught on your dashcam are fairly minimal. In many states, the police need to be present to witness the infringement in order to issue a ticket. But if you really are set on becoming a dashcam warrior, maybe it's best to sign up for your local police department and get paid for keeping the roads safer.
Do you come from a land down under? Oh, where women glow and men plunder. Oh, can you hear the thunder?